Hello everyone! In today's tutorial, you will learn how to crochet a small snowflake. This crocheted mini snowflake, it's about 6 centimeters, and I used 3-ply yarn, 2.5 millimeters crochet hook, and 7 millimeters eyes. If you don't like to sew the pieces together, you can use glue. If this tutorial will be helpful to you, please consider supporting my channel by liking this video or sharing it with your friends on social media. If you can't handle abbreviations, please turn on the subtitles and choose your language for written instructions. Start with magic circle. Chain 3. Count these like first stitch. On circle, do 17 double crochet stitches. Join with a slip stitch on top of first stitch. Chain 4. Slip stitch in first chain. Chain 3. Slip stitch in same chain. Chain 3. Slip stitch in same chain. Back on circle, do 1 slip stitch in next stitch. Chain 5. Start with second chain from the hook and do 4 slip stitches. Back on circle, do 2 slip stitch. Repeat this part 2 times. Chain 4. Slip stitch in first chain. Chain 3. Slip stitch in same chain. Chain 3. Slip stitch in same chain. Back on circle, do 3 slip stitch. Chain 4. Slip stitch in first chain. Chain 3. Slip stitch in same chain. Chain 3. Slip stitch in same chain. Back on circle, do 3 slip stitch. Chain 4. Slip stitch in first chain. Chain 3. Slip stitch in same chain. Chain 3. Slip stitch in same chain. Back on circle, do 1 slip stitch in next stitch. Chain 5. Start with second chain from the hook and do 4 slip stitches. Back on circle, do 2 slip stitch. Chain 4. Slip stitch in first chain. Chain 3. Slip stitch in same chain. Chain 3. Slip stitch in same chain. Back on circle, do 3 slip stitch. Chain 4. Slip stitch in first chain. Chain 3. Slip stitch in same chain. Chain 3. Slip stitch in same chain. Back on circle, do 1 slip stitch in next stitch. Fasten off and hide the tails of yarn. Time to learn how to crochet the small heart. Start with magic circle. Chain 3. Count these like first stitch. Next, do 2 double crochet stitches. Next, do 2 half double crochet stitches. Chain 1. 1 half double crochet stitch. Chain 1. Next, do 2 half double crochet stitches. Next, do 2 double crochet stitches. Chain 3. Back on circle, do 1 slip stitch and fasten off and hide the tails of yarn. Time to put the pieces together. Sew them or use glue, your choice. Thanks for watching and see you soon.